Hello dear student, in this video I want to talk about optimization in chapter 5 section 5 in chapter 4 section 5 sorry. طبعا we can recognize this section by EST or by maximum or maximize or minimize. طبعا لما بتا توين بباشري EST جبيناتي نوا for example closest least کاتە ئەبێ ئاگاداربین یەکەم جارە ببیناسی تۆ باشترە. دووهەم ئەگەرمانێ باسی ئەگزامپڵەکان کەین for example 1 an engineer in a certain factory wants to design an open box. ئەنجینیەرێکە ئەوێت دیزاینی بۆکسێک بکات ئەم بۆکسە لە ئەگزامپڵەکە ئەڵێ بۆکسەکە بیسەکەی سکوێرە. ئەگەر بیسەکەی سکوێر بێ it means x and y are the same يعني x equal بە y واتە length is equal to width for this example and بۆکسەکەمان بەشی سەرەوەی چییە؟ بەشی سەرەوەی openە design an open box. لەم بۆکسەیە area is given, surface area is given and you need to find the maximum volume because the surface area is given, so it is a sub equation and maximum volume يعني أمس chapter 4 section 5 كواتا أما دانين بمين equation رولي volume لبر ما بيت أكاتا length times width times height and surface area for this box is equal to 2 lengths plus 2 widths plus 2 surface area is equal to 2 lengths times width plus 2 lengths times height plus 2 widths times height. بەڵام لێرە بۆکسەکەمان ئۆپنە کەواتە کە بوو بە ئۆپن ئەو کاتە lengths و widthسەکە دانیشان لابی ئەڵێ 1 length times width plus 2 lengths times height plus 2 widths times height. طبعا volume is equal to length يعني x, width also is x, height h, so v is equal to x squared times h and area is equal to length times width يعني x times x is x squared, 2 length times height يعني 2x times h, 2 width times height يعني 2x times h, so area is equal to x squared plus 2 plus 2 4xh, but area is given, so 675 is equal to x squared plus 4xh. so let h alone again, so ما بين area 675 minus x squared is equal to 4xh. For finding h we need to both divided by 4x. 4x و x cancel, so h is equal to 675 minus x squared divided by 4x. أما sub equation again, input in main equation, so v is equal to x squared times h is h 675 minus x squared divided by 4x. X to x cancel, so equal to x multiply 675 minus x squared divided by 4, so volume x times 675 x times x squared is x cubed divided by 4. So I have just one variable, so I can take the derivative because this is a number, so it's not related by derivatives. Derivative of 675x is equal to 675, derivative x power 3 is equal to 3x power 2, after that is equal to 0, so by crossover just numerator is equal to 0, So 675 is equal to positive 3x power 2. Both sides is divided by 3. So x power 2 is equal to 225 by taking square root for both sides, x equal to 15. So input again لا sub equation كيا. So h is equal to 675 minus 15 square divided 4 times 15 by calculator is equal to 7.5. 7.5. Now for finding the volume is equal to x squared times h. يعني 15 square times 7.5 is equal to 168.7.5. Our first example. For example 2, engineer wants to design an open box that is made from a square pieces for material 24 centimeter on the side by cutting equal square of side x, the corners, and turning these sides up. What value of x جماعة بوم example دائما fast ويك باشترين الرقية fast ويك x equal با side lengths divide by number of rectangle. طبعا لبوكسة شش rectangle معنى you have 6 rectangle on in the box, so 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. So you can find x by this fast way. and volume بو بوكسة طبعا بوكسة قبل الامتحان بتهناتي volume is equal to length times width times height. Length is equal to 24 minus 2x, and width is also is equal to 24 minus 2x, so 24 minus 2x times 24 minus 2x is equal to 24 minus 2x square times height اللي ربطي x is equal to height is equal to x. So input ام فوراق اللي volume كش درجة equal about 24 minus 2 times 4 8 24 minus 8 16 power 2 times x يعني times 4 أماش answer كيو دستان خوش بي. About example 2, find points on the parabola f of x equal to 4 minus x squared that are closest. It means chapter 4 section 5 to the point 0 2. جماعة for these examples like this form you need to use this form. أجر بوينتك above vertex up بو alin y plus 1 over 2. Point بو vertex down بو alin y minus 1 over 2. Point بو vertex right بو alin x plus 1 over 2. Left بو alin x minus 1 over 2. For example, about example 2, f of x is given, point is given, graph of 4 minus x square like this. 4 plus 4 يعني 4 units to up, 4 units to up, so 1 2 3 4. أما graphy x square by negative x square 4 minus x square. Point is given 0 and 2. لا point تكا بو vertex كا point to vertex شيا up يعني y plus 1 over 2. So for finding y you need to take y minus 1 y plus 1 over 2 because go up on y plus 1 over 2. Y is equal to what? Y is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 over 2 is equal to what? Is equal to 2 times 2 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 over 2. How can find x? Put in the given function. So y is equal to 5 over 2 يعني f of x equal to 5, so 5 over 2 is equal to 4 minus x square. لما بينا امديو 5 over 2 minus 4 is equal to negative x square. So 2 times 4 8. 5 minus 8 minus 3 is equal to negative x4. Negative and negative cancel. By taking square root for both sides, x equal to positive and negative square root 3 over 2. So the points is equal to closest point is equal to positive and negative 3 over 2 and y is equal to 5 over 2 x and y. First for checked out okay, f of x is given equal to x square minus 2, point is given is equal to 0 minus 1. جرافي x square u shape minus 2 يعني minus 2 to down 2 units to down. So بوينتك بو vertexك down اگر down بو so align y minus 1 over 2. Y is equal to what? Is equal to negative 1. Negative 1 minus 1 over 2 is equal to negative 3 over 2. So you can find the value of y. Negative 3 over 2. Put in the given function. So f of x يعني y negative 3 over 2 is equal to x power 2 minus 2. So 2 minus 3 over 2 is equal to x square. So x square is equal to 2 times 2 4. 4 minus 3 1. By taking square root for both sides, x equal to positive and negative square root 1 over 2. So point closest point is equal to x and y. X is equal to positive and negative square root 1 over 2 and y equal to negative 3 over 2. About example 3 طبعا this graph is given for example 3. Two posts, one 6 meter and the other 14 meter height, stand between يعني distance between them stand يعني distance between them is equal to 15 meter. They are to be connected by two wires. Connect دوستون دو post connected by wire attached to a single stake running from ground level to the top of the each of post as shown in the figure on the right. Where should the stake be placed to use the least amount? Least amount, it means chapter 5 section 4. least يعني جماعة بو برسيارة برسيارة is not important for exam لبروي solutionەکەی زۆرە بەکەڵکی 2 دەرەجە نایەتەوە بەڵام ئەتوانین بە فاستوەیەک کۆتایی ببینیم. طبعا داوای پوینتی x ئەکات پوینتی x بۆ پوینتی x ئەڵێن ئیکۆڵە بە small height multiply by distance between them divide the height small plus height big. So height small is equal to 6, distance between them is equal to 15. height small plus height big يعني 6 plus 14 is equal to 4.5. ئەمە ڕوڵەکەیەتی زۆر بە ئاسانی ئەتوانین بدۆزینەوە بۆ ئەو کەسانەشی کە گومانیان هەبوو لە وەڵامەکە ئەگە سەیری کە ئەمە کتەبی وەزارەتە کە وەڵامە نمونەیەکانی تایە ئەمەش ئانسەرەکەیەتی x equal بە 4.5 x equal بە 4.5 جماعات بینی سەر example checked out number 3 about this checked out for example 3 checked out okay. ئەم شەیپەمان هەیە ئەم شەیپە کە بریتە لە mix between rectangle and semicircle and rectangle لا أقصد شيء find the dimensions يعني dimension for rectangle dimension يعني area طبعا radius is given is equal to r so how can find the area طبعا find having the greatest يعني section 5 chapter 4 greatest so دائما area for this shape is equal to r square. fast way so أقل أجزاء معناتها وتي radius is equal to 3 so ln area is equal to r square يعني 3 square is equal to 9. If radius is equal to 4 then ln area is equal to r square يعني 4 square is equal to 16. Just for length and width طبعا length bigger than 2 width length is always equal to r times square root 2 and width always is equal to square root r divided square root 2 أما fast way أو examples. About example 4, a graphic designer is planning to design a rectangle page that should contain 150 centimeter square. Square يعني area. Square يعني area. The margins at the top and bottom of the page are to be 3 centimeter width. And the margins on the left and right are to be 2 centimeter width. What should the dimension يعني area طبعا of the page so that least amount يعني section 5 chapter 4 esta margin of the top and bottom. Margin of the top is equal to 3. Margin of the bottom is equal to also 3. Margin of the right is equal to 2 and on the left also is equal to 2. So if the length of the page print is equal to y, then length of the page is equal to y plus 2 plus 2 يعني y plus 4. If the length of the page print is equal to x, then length of the page is equal to x plus 3 plus 3 يعني x plus 6. So solution, area page print is given, so it is a sub equation. طبعا area is equal to x times y. Area for page print is equal to length times width يعني x times y. So 150 is equal to x times y. So y is equal to 150 divided by x. ما sub equation because it is given. About main equation طبعا main equation هكا area dimension main equation dimension of the page يعني area of the page. Area page is equal to also length times width, but length for page is equal to x plus 6 and width for this page is equal to y plus 4. Now you have two variables, so I can't take the derivative, so you can change by one variable by sub equation. So area is equal to x plus 6 multiplied by y is equal to 150 divided by x plus 4. So now you have just one variable, so by simplifying x times 150 over x is equal to 100 over 50 because x cancel. X times 4x 6 times 150 is equal to over x is equal to 0 900 over x. 6 times 4 is equal to 24. Now I can take the derivative of 150 is 0, derivative of 4x is equal to 4, derivative of 900 over 4 is equal to negative 900 over x squared, derivative of 24 is equal to 0. So after that the derivative is equal to 0, so 4 equal to 900 over x squared by positive, cross over again 4x squared is equal to 900, both sides divided by 4, so x squared is equal to, so x squared is equal 900 over 4 is equal to 225 by taking square root x equal to positive and negative 15, but for this example x equal to just positive 15 because lengths also always be positive. Lengths always be positive. So how can find y? Take x in the sub equation for finding y. 155 divided by 15 is equal to is equal to what? Is equal to 100 divided by 15 is equal to 10. So length of the page of page is equal to x plus 6 يعني 15 plus 6 is equal to 21. Width of the page is equal to y plus 4 يعني 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. So area of the page is equal to x plus 6 multiply y plus 4 يعني 21 multiply 14 is equal to what you can find by calculator. Thank you so much. Also you can find the answers by fast way. Fast way for this example is equal to what? Fast way طبعا first you need to find the length of the page print. Length of the page print is equal to square root of area page print multiply by margin of the bottom, margin of the top divide by margin of the right. يعني x length of the page print يعني x is equal to area is given 150 multiply by margin of the top is given is equal to 3, margin of the right is given is equal to 2, so is equal to 15 by calculator. And for finding the width of the page print يعني y is equal to area page print divide by x يعني 150 divided by 50 is equal to 10. So length of the page is equal to x plus 6 يعني x يعني 15 plus 6 is equal to 21. Width of the page is equal to y plus 4 يعني 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. So area is equal to 21 times 14. So you can find by calculator. So easy by fast way. Homework for this lesson, for this example, you can find the checked out by fast way. Checked out number 4. طبعا area page print is given also is equal to page print is equal to 200 and margin of the top is equal to 3 and margin of the right is equal to 3 also يعني margin of the top and right are the same. So x equal area page print multiply by margin of the top divide the margin of the right. 3 cancel, area to 200, so we can find by calculator, and after that find y is equal to area divided by area page print divided by x, so you can find y. So how can find the length of the page? طبعا أما page print هي أما قال length سكي وسكي y be margin right is equal to 3, left also is equal to 3, so length of the page is equal to y plus 6. If the length of the page print is equal to x, because margin of the top is equal to 3, and bottom is equal to 3, so length of the page is equal to x plus 3 plus 3 يعني x plus 6.